How to edit an ebook using Canva. Hey guys, it's Rashid here from Rashid Reviews. I'm going to try and make this video short and quick and straight to the point. Basically, I'm going to get an ebook and I'm going to edit it using Canva. As you can see, I've got Canva open here. This is my Canva. This is the Pro account. I think it's about $10–15 a month, but I think you can use this method using the free account anyway. And here is my download section. These are all the ebooks which I've got. I'm going to pick one of this. I don't even know what this is called, but I'm going to place that into there. Now that's downloading onto Canva there. As you can see, this is downloading how to earn money from home. And basically what I'm going to do is basically add my name and some links in there, links to my website. So just give it a few seconds. There you go, it's downloaded there. Just click on there. It opens up this page. This is the editing page. It's up to you if you want to do this. I think you have to do it in order to get rid of it. I'll just put job done. Done job, whatever, and boom, submit. Get rid of it, Right, there you go. And now I can edit this. As you can see, it's perfectly downloaded it onto Canva. Now I can edit this any way I wish. The first thing I'm going to want to do is add my name onto here. So what I want to do is come over here where it says text, add a subheading. I'll just put it there, and put my name by Isfan Rashid. Okay, that color does not go with the background there, so I'll change the color to it. I think it's a bit big as well. Okay, let's just change the color first. Okay, that's a bit better. We'll do some effects. Outline. Make the outline black. Okay, that's sticking. Basically, you can see it a lot better there now. So I'll just move that down to the bottom. I'll reduce the size to it, so I just click on this button there, so that reduces the size. You want your name to be you want it to stand out, but you do want it to be smaller than the actual title there. And I'll just place that there. So that's that done. Next thing I want to do is add a link. So you come over to these pages here. I want to add a link to the bottom of these pages. So again, add a subheading. I'll put my website there. Hold on, done that wrong. Rashid Reviews it is. .com. I did some auto correction there. I don't think I needed it. And okay, yeah, I'll just move that to the bottom again. I want to reduce the size to that. I'm trying to make this video fast for you, and I want that in a different color also. So I'll put that in. Will the green do? Not really. I'll leave that as yellow. Again, I think it's always best to add effects. Either add a shadow or add an outline, because that makes it stand out a bit better. And I think a black outline works best. There you go. And the next thing we want to do is add a link to that. So in order to add a link, you come over here where it says link and add your link there. So just let me get my website here. Copy this link to my blog. Go back over to Canva. Pull that in there, and that should be done. And I think that looks a bit big. Okay, I think that looks okay there. Now, in order to add the same thing without doing the same process again, just click on this where it says plus, duplicates it, move that to the next page at the bottom of the next page. Okay, I'll have to add it to one side there. And then I'll just duplicate that, add that to the bottom of the next page. Boom, duplicate that, and add it to the bottom of the next page. And place that bit there. And these have all got links to them, so if I check the link there, as you can see, that's my website there. Click on done, and that's basically it. And I think you can edit the images here as well if you wish. Let's see if I can change the color to it. Oh, well, there you go. Done a bit wrong. I think I'm going to have to change the position to that as well. Maybe put that at the back, but okay, let's go back again. Basically, you get the idea. Best to play around with it. It covered the whole lot, but I'm sure there's a way of fixing that. But that's basically it. I've added my name. I've added these links. They're the important parts. And you can edit the image, but maybe I'll make that in another video. I'm trying to keep this video below 5 minutes. It seems to be going over. And then you just want to share it. So come over here to share, download. You don't want pink, because that'll just be a picture. So you want a PDF standard. That's what I use. Download it. And that's it. Now it's downloading. It'll take a few seconds for it to download, and it'll be in my folder. I'll just check. Okay, that should have done it. Okay, I'll just open that up. I'll show you what it looks like. Open, and that's the PDF there. Okay, should have my name, that's my name there, and they're the links there. So if I click on this link here, it should open up to my website. And there you go, that's my blog there, that's my website. So that's me, Sven Rashid from Rashid Reviews. I hope you learned something here, how to edit your PDFs using Canva. I'll speak to you next time.